Hello, I'm Emma Gwynett Davis and I'm the manager of the Immigration and International Student Advice Team here at the University of South Wales. This video is to give you some information about credibility interviews. The UK Visa and Immigration section is now undertaking short credibility interviews for all Tier 4 applications that are made overseas and some applications that are made here in the UK. As a genuine student, this should be of no worry to you because it is merely a standard procedure. The credibility interview will be undertaken remotely. This means that you and the interviewer will not be in the same room. It is a little bit like a Skype interview or a similar conversation that you can have online. You'll be able to see the interviewer and they can see you. You will be given a headset to wear and you will be asked to make sure that you can hear the interviewer clearly. The technology is very good, so you should be able to, and there should be a minimum delay between them speaking and you being able to hear them. It is very important that if you cannot hear the interviewer clearly or you have a problem with their accent, that you tell them. It is not possible for you to confirm that everything is okay and then go back later and change your mind. You should expect to be asked questions about 4 main areas. Number 1. Why did you choose to study at the University of South Wales? It is very important that you think carefully about why you've chosen to accept your offer with us. Is it because of the location? Do you like the facilities? Has someone given you a recommendation that you trust? What other universities did you consider before you chose to come to the University of South Wales? These are all things that you need to think about and be prepared to answer clearly when the interviewer asks you about them. Number 2. Why have you chosen this particular course? Think carefully again about what it is about this subject that you particularly enjoy. Have you studied something similar before? When you examined the course in detail, were there particular aspects that you found appealing? Perhaps the university has some special facilities or additional benefits to studying the course that tip the balance in our favour. Make sure that you have a clear idea exactly what you're studying and why you chose to study it. Number 3. Why have you chosen to study in the UK? The interviewer will be looking for you to explain why you have chosen to study overseas, and particular in the UK. Think about why you chose to come here. Did you think about some other countries and then decided in favour of the UK? Please explain your reasoning clearly and truthfully to the interviewer. Number 4. How will studying this course at the University of South Wales help you with your future plans? Have you considered what you're going to do after you've finished your studies and how this course will help you to achieve that? Perhaps you'd like to take further study, or you believe that studying this course will help you with your future work plans. Make sure that you have a clear idea about your future and how the University of South Wales fits in. This is what the interviewer is looking for you to explain to them. You may find that you're asked some further questions, perhaps about your finance and your funding. If you are not paying for your own education, you might need to speak to your sponsor, perhaps your parents or your government, to find out how this funding will take place, how much you will get, and when you can expect your money. This is so that you are clear in your mind and you can answer those questions easily if you are asked them. It is important to understand that this is just a standard procedure. If you are a genuine student, then this credibility interview is merely an opportunity for you to show that to the UK Visas and Immigration Department. In some cases, you may be asked to attend a further interview with an entry clearance officer. Again, as you are a genuine student, you should just answer honestly, clearly and truthfully, and there shouldn't be a problem. If you have any further questions about credibility interviews or anything to do with your Tier 4 application, please feel free to email us. You can do so at international.advice@southwales.ac.uk. Thank you very much for listening, good luck, and I look forward to seeing you soon at the University of South Wales.